Hey everybody, Dino here, and today I thought I'd do a quick tutorial to show you the best way to run an Android app on your Windows 10 machine or your Mac computer. And basically, there's a program out there called BlueStacks 4, which you can get at BlueStacks.com. And you download this and you load it. It's relatively easy to set up. And it's an emulator. And so basically, this is like running a Android tablet on your PC, and it's the best emulator I've been able to find, and it's actually the most popular emulator and the easiest to set up. This is actually designed more for an end user, where a lot of the emulators that run on Windows, or a lot of the other ways where you can run Android apps on Windows or on Mac, are designed for developers, and they're a little more difficult to set up. And this program is very easy to set up. It's also made in case you want to run games on a larger screen that you would normally run on your Android. And you can see over at the side here it has recommendations of games you can download. But you can use it for any app that you might use on your phone or on your tablet that you want to be able to access on your PC. For example, a lot of applications are only on smartphones now and tablets, like some home security software, such as the Ring doorbell and Blink cameras. They have apps that you can run to check your cameras and view your cameras from your phone. But if you want to do it from your computer, sometimes they don't have an app that does that, or sometimes the website app that they have isn't as good as the app that's on your phone. So you can run your phone app or your tablet app on here if you have a favorite app that you can't get on your PC or your Mac. So that's a great advantage to this. Now, there are a few caveats to this, because some programs require things that aren't in a telephone to run, like a GPS or a camera or some other aspect of the phone that may not be in your computer. But this program actually compensates for that. BlueStacks compensates for that, and has some workarounds on some of them. For instance, if we go over to the side here, there's a little icon here to set our location, and if we click on that, we can actually set whatever location we have, and we can click this on here. It's mock location. So even though your PC might not have a GPS on it, and probably doesn't, particularly if it's a desktop, you can set up the location, and since your desktop is going to be in the same location all of the time, it will work out pretty good for you. So that's one feature that this has that makes it easier to run these apps on it. And if we go up here to the top, we have tabs here. And I'm just using the mouse to click this closed now. So BlueStacks also has features on it that make it easier to use with a keyboard and a mouse, as opposed to some of the other emulators that might not run as smoothly with those input devices. We can actually go and download anything from Google Store right here. So we can click on Google Store and bring it up, and we can search for apps just like you would on your Android device, download them and run them. We can click back here on the upper tab to take us back to home. Or we also have a icon here for BlueStacks Store, which is similar to the Google Play Store. But if you're used to Google Play, you may just want to go with Google Play. Also, down the side, as I said, these are apps that you can go and instantly install, and that's through the BlueStacks Store. So you can open up, as I said, any application that you want. Once you load them on here, it loads just by double-clicking on it with your mouse. And if you want to go back to the home screen, there's a home tab up here. You have tabs up here for wherever the program is, or however many programs you have open. So you can open more programs. And there's just, when you hover over the tab, there's a little red X you can use to shut it. So that's the basics of it. All you need to do is download this program from BlueStacks.com. Load it, and you can start to mess around with it, and it will prompt you for your Google password, just like a tablet or a Android phone will, so that you can connect to the Google Play Store and such. But otherwise, it's fairly easy to use, and it works really well. And it is designed for the end user in mind as opposed to the developer. I'm Dino, and this has been Dino's Tech World, and I will see you soon.